4 SS Day 32. This is the book cover, Pulse 4. Chapter number 5, Southern Plateau and the Islands. Let's do the exercise. Open the page number 262. Read and answer. The Jog Fall is in the state of dash. Answer is Karnataka. The Western Ghats and the Eastern Ghats meet at Nilgiri. The Bandhavgarh National Park is major tourist attraction in Madhya Pradesh. Dash is the most popular festival of Maharashtra, Ganesh Chaturthi. The cellular jail is in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Write this, fill in the blanks. First copy the answer in textbook. After that you will complete in SS classwork notebook. Is it clear, children? Next one, write true or T for true and F for false. Chota Nagpur Plateau lies in the central Himalaya. False. F. Anaimudi is the highest peak in Deccan Plateau. True. Bhila is the famous for tin mining. False. Kannada is the main spoken language in Karnataka. True. T. Lakshadweep lies in West Bengal. False. Write this F T F T F in textbook, then copy it in notebook along with the question. Is it clear? Next question, answer these questions. Copy the question and write the answer after the question. Which hill region surrounded the central Himalaya? Answer the Aravalli Hill, Vindhya ranges and the Rajamahal Hill surrounded by central Himalayas. Second question, list 5 minerals found in the southern plateau. Coal, iron ore, manganese, diamond, tin, gold. Okay, this except any fourth, that is not for you. Just write this all. Why is mining an important activity in Jharkhand? Mining is an important activity in Jharkhand because the state is rich in minerals such as coal, iron ore, copper and manganese. Fourth question, what is the importance of Mumbai High? Answer, the importance of Mumbai High is that this region has a large deposit of petroleum in seabed. Fifth one, which are the two island groups in our country? The two island groups in our country are Andaman and Nicobar Island in the Bay of Bengal and Lakshadweep in Arabian Sea. Right, answer this question in SS classwork notebook one time. Can you see the picture, children? This is sandalwood handicraft from Karnataka. Question number D. Think and answer. Can you travel to Andaman and Nicobar Island to Lakshadweep by train? Why not? ट्रेन से जा सकते हैं हम लोग? नहीं. Island located in the Bay of Bengal and the Arabian Sea are respectively, Andaman and Nicobar Island are the island located in Bay of Bengal and the Arabian Sea respectively. They are separated from the mainland by vast stretches of water. बीच में आ जाता है mainland और ये दोनों आजू बाजू पानी के आए अंदर. Since the train cannot be used to travel by through water and we need ship or aeroplane to travel of these places. Let me show you. ये देखो, ये इंडिया का मेनलैंड है. ऐसा ये साउथ पार्ट है. ये यहाँ पे गुजरात है. यहाँ पे ऐसा इसका ऐसा मुँह के ये इंडिया है फॉर एग्जांपल. तो लक्षद्वीप यहाँ पे आया है और अंडमान एंड निकोबार आइलैंड यहाँ पे आ गया. अभी इन दोनों के बीच में क्या आ गया? ट्रेन तो ऐसे नहीं जाएगा. यहाँ पे पूरा समुद्र है. ट्रेन सिर्फ ये एरिया में चल सकती है क्योंकि ये लैंड एरिया है. वेयर दिस वाटर एरिया है ना. तो यहाँ पे हमको या जाना होगा तो शिप से जाना पड़ेगा या फिर एरोप्लेन से जाना पड़ेगा. इज इट क्लियर, चिल्ड्रन? डू एंड लर्न एनरिचमेंट एक्टिविटी. यहाँ पे राइट द नेम्स ऑफ स्टेट्स वेयर फॉलोइंग आर सिचुएटेड. चित्राकूट फॉल, बेटला नेशनल पार्क, गेटवे ऑफ इंडिया, गोलकोंडा फोर्ट, सांची स्तूप एंड गोल गुम्बज. few are in the textbook, few are the out of the question. So answers are given. First, Chitrakoot Fall is in Chhattisgarh. Betla National Park in Jharkhand. Then Gateway of India in Maharashtra. Golconda Fort Telangana. Sanchi Stup Madhya Pradesh. And Gol Gumbaj in Karnataka. Write the answer. Information gathering. MS Dhoni, the famous cricketer, is from Ranchi, Jharkhand. Work in pair. Find out the 5 interesting facts about him. You may including the following. आपको धोनी के बारे में लिखना है. उसका स्कूल और कॉलेज कहाँ से किया है, वो खाते हैं, उनको फेवरेट फूड क्या है, उनका स्पोर्ट पर्सन कौन है फेमस, और उनको कौन से अवार्ड्स मिले हैं, हॉबीज़ है. ये आपको खुद से गूगल से सर्च करके लिखना है. Let's see the values. Imagine you are in Port Blair, the capital of Andaman and Nicobar Island. अभी Port Blair क्या है, ये capital है Andaman and Nicobar का. While walking on the beach one day, you see people drinking coconut water, throwing empty shells on the beach. आप देख रहे हो कि लोग नारियल पानी पी के उसका जो कवर ये रहता है बाहर का, वो फेंक दे रहे हैं. What will do? Tell your partner. क्या करोगे आप? उनको समझाओगे कि रहने दोगे, देख के चले जाओगे, आपको बताना है. इज इट क्लियर चिल्ड्रन? द सेशन इज ओवर. Complete your exercise in SS classwork notebook. After completing in classwork notebook, write it as homework. Thank you children.